Last time we spent ages faffing around with this floor. This time we get to actually weld it in.
Block of wood,
yeah,
which is underneath the car.
yeah.
Oh, where's that gone? It was underneath the car. The shorter version of that. Here it is. There it is. I'll kick it across. Now I'll put that sort of side onto it, so it's, yeah, that's it. How's that? Okay, so we've just rolled it over, it's holding at the moment. Now we've got to weld the heel board to the seat from the inside. It's up the other way and it's not falling off.
Ooh, how you feeling?
Oh, and you're on camera.
Oh no. Hi.
Yeah, you have to, Chris.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Go back to the other one then. That one's got a hole in it already.
Axle stand.
We're going to try and rotate, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why I thought if I put an axle stand. Okay, go down. There you go. Right, so this doesn't make much very good telly. Proper job. Right.
You can do that next.
It's out there. Oh, got any clamps?
You won't reach it.
No. That's got to go about there. Where's your little hammer?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Let's get this end one in. We can go from there.
Didn't stick.
No, it didn't stick. Need to put that up more. We got the. Need to get the dolly under there. Hammer it together. Quick update, there's a sill and it's actually attached to the floor, which is actually attached to the car. Whoop whoop. So that's the sill plug welded on. Just need to do a little bit over here, but it's all looking good. It's got some plug welds in there. In the end there, got to tidy that up a bit. We've got to weld that support in, but might not do that yet, depending on where the batteries go. So yeah, floor's in. That's the other side plug welded. So it's all coming on nicely. Might have to call it a day. It's been a bit of a week, but we've got lots done, so that's good. I'm not the neatest welder, but I'm sure it will tidy up. We've got to finish off, got to sort out, tidy up in here, and then we've got to weld that door pocket in and tidy up this flappy bit in there, get that back in there as well. So a few bits to do, but it's all good. Probably quite a common place for them to go, the rear corner of the seat. So we're just going to carry out the repairs now. So there you go, there's one side of the seat repair going all the way to the back there where it was all rotten. We could see it from the other side earlier on, didn't we? So that's all done. looking good. Get that tidied up and finished off, and then we'll have to do the other side.